Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Nissan Armada full-size SUV that's been completely redesigned to offer more power, better efficiency, and new technology. Whether you're looking for a capable family hauler, an off-road adventure machine, or a luxury-packed ride, this Armada has something for you. Stay tuned as we break down all the details, from performance to fuel economy, and everything in between. First up, let's talk about size. The 2025 Nissan Armada is a beast. It measures 209.6 inches in length, with a 121.1-inch wheelbase, a width of 79.9 to 80 inches, and a height between 75.2 to 80.1 inches depending on the trim. This makes it one of the most spacious SUVs in its segment. Inside, Nissan has maximized passenger comfort. The three-row layout can seat 7 or 8 passengers, depending on whether you opt for captain's chairs in the second row. And cargo space with the third row up, you get 20 cubic feet of storage. Fold it down and you expand to 56 cubic feet. Need even more? With both the second and third rows folded, the Armada boasts a massive 97 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Nissan has built the new Armada on a more refined platform that shares similarities with the legendary Nissan Patrol. This means improved off-road capabilities and better road manners. The chassis also accommodates an available height-adjustable air suspension for improved ride comfort and off-road clearance. Plus, the ProForks trim adds a locking rear differential, skid plates, and off-road tuned shocks to tackle rough terrains with confidence. Now, let's pop the hood. The biggest change for 2025 is the engine. Say goodbye to the old V8 and hello to an all-new twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. But don't worry, this new engine is even more powerful. It cranks out 425 horsepower and a massive 516 pound-feet of torque, an increase of 25 horsepower and 103 pound-feet over the outgoing V8. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and comes in either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. This new powertrain not only delivers strong acceleration, but also improves towing capabilities. The maximum towing capacity remains a solid 8,500 pounds, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy gear. Alright, let's talk numbers. Nissan hasn't officially released full performance figures, but based on our estimates, the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint should take around 6.0 to 6.2 seconds. The quarter mile expected to clock in around 14.4 to 14.6 seconds. And when you put your foot down on an open road, the 2025 Armada is expected to reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour. When it comes to braking, the Armada is equipped with large ventilated disc brakes on all four corners, providing strong stopping power. Nissan has also worked on improving handling with the new air suspension, helping to smooth out body roll and keep the ride more composed. However, we did notice a bit of jittery movement with the air suspension at higher speeds, but the standard setup should provide a more balanced feel. Now, let's talk efficiency. The 2025 Nissan Armada is expected to perform better than its thirsty V8 predecessor. Official EPA fuel economy ratings aren't out yet, but based on its sibling the Infiniti QX80, we can expect 17 to 18 miles per gallon combined, with city ratings around 16 miles per gallon and highway ratings between 19 to 20 miles per gallon. With a 26-gallon fuel tank, that gives the Armada an estimated range of over 450 miles per tank, making it great for long road trips. Inside, the new Armada is packed with tech. Every trim level gets dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the gauge cluster and the other for infotainment. Higher trims even come with a 14.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and if you love music, you'll be happy to hear that the SL, Pro Forks, and Platinum trims come with a 12-speaker Klipsch premium audio system. And for added convenience, higher trims offer power folding third-row seats and a hands-free power liftgate. Safety is a top priority, and Nissan delivers. Every 2025 Armada comes with Nissan's Safety Shield 360, which includes blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, Prop-A-Lot Assist 2.1. This means you can enjoy a safer, more relaxed drive whether you're commuting or heading on a long trip. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Nissan Armada starts at $58,530 for the base SV 4x2 model and goes up to $82,000 for the range-topping Platinum Reserve 4x4. For the best value, we recommend the SL trim. It gives you a premium audio system, heated seats, a power lift gate, and a power folding third row without breaking the bank. So, what do you think of the 2025 Nissan Armada? With its powerful twin-turbo V6, improved fuel economy, cutting-edge tech, and rugged capabilities, it's shaping up to be one of the best full-size SUVs on the market. Would you pick the new Armada over rivals like the Chevy Tahoe or Toyota Sequoia? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Crazy Auto Premiere. Until next time, drive safe and stay crazy about cars.